Welcome to RK's digital training. So today I am going to show you how to separate the data in an Excel. So when there is a delimiter using some separator. So how do we do it? Say for example, if you look at this, there are different cities: Hyderabad, Chennai, Delhi, Bangalore, Tamil Nadu, Mumbai. So these are separated with semicolon. So now I wanted to take this entire data and put it in my Excel. So if you look at in first cell, so when I place this data, so it has come like this. Now I wanted to split this data to separately, like A column I need to have Hyderabad, B column I need to have Chennai, like that all the data needs to be there. So generally what we will be doing, we will be selecting one by one and then moving the data and removing the semicolon. So in order to avoid that, what you can do is, you can once you paste this data like this, go to data. So there is an option called text to columns, and here if you see there is a delimited. So select the first option and click on next, and we know what is the delimiter we have used. So select the other option and select the delimiter as semicolon, whatever we have used. Click on next and click on finish. Then automatically you will be able to see all this data has been separated, so for each individual column. So similarly we will do one more example. If you look at the next one, so there we have there is a delimiter called pipe symbol here. So now what I am going to do, I am going to take this entire data and copy and then put it in the next cell. Okay, and see everything has come in one cell, that is the first cell. So what you have to do, you have to go to data and then text to columns and then delimited and next. So if you look at, so the other symbol, you can specify the pipe symbol. So you can see the preview here, automatically you will be able to see. And you have other options like if there is a tab between the words whatever you have used, and if you have semicolon, if you have comma, if you have space, so you can select any of these. So if these options are not there, you can go with other option and then put that particular symbol and click on next, and automatically you will be able to see the text separated with that delimiter whatever you have used. Okay, thank you for watching. Keep watching our channel and subscribe for more videos, RK Digital Training. Thank you.